Hello guys, welcome back to MK Home Decor. I hope you all going well. Today's video are gonna be about kitchen layout guide to be create a functional kitchen design. So let's get right into the video. If you planning a kitchen renovation, then you must be looking for kitchen design ideas. The work best for space that you have available. Not everyone is able to build a brand new house to live in. This means that most people have to renovate their executive kitchen and have to decide on a kitchen design transforms their current space into something that a functional and work is for their family. Our kitchen designers often work with our clients to custom build a kitchen within their current space. We spoke to our designers and they said that designing the right type of design. There are a few translated that need to be kept in mind. Layout for kitchen. There were these 7 rules that go into designing kitchen that work will decided. Following on 7 quote to keep in mind when designing your kitchen layout to kitchen layout for kitchen design with our space your kitchen designs without bumping into things you need